Dealing with the AAC Utility DLL error in a non-Windows app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. This DLL file is a utility library for Autodesk products. It provides common tools for string manipulation, error reporting, and system path management, ensuring consistent behavior across different Autodesk design applications. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within the Autodesk AutoCAD environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of Autodesk AutoCAD to allow the installer to restore the AAC Utility DLL automatically. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the AAC utility file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A vital technical reminder: modifying the AAC Utility DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes the AAC utility documentation. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Autodesk AutoCAD today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support